This exercise is quadruped rocking. So you start out on your hands and knees, then you allow your feet in front of your ankles to be touching the ground. We don't want the feet up in this position for this particular exercise. We're focusing on the ankles on the ground for this specific exercise. Allow your pelvis to tilt forward. Drop your chest, rest your head in this position. I'm gonna have it all the way down here, but I don't want it up in this position. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna rock all the way back, basically into a child's pose position, and then push your knees and your ankles into the ground to bring yourself back up to this position. So allow yourself to tilt, drop back, and your pelvis is gonna naturally tuck into this position. Push the knees and the ankles into the ground, come back up, tilt again, rock back, and then back up. So back and forth, set a timer for at least 1 minute. Do it for 1 to 2 minutes.